What's up, XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This time, the XRP coin take a huge pump. I'm very happy to see the positive change occur in the XRP because at this time, the XRP is going to the moon. So, first of all, very congrats to all XRP Ripple coin holders. And at this time, the XRP start pumping. So, my friends, you know what? My prediction tells us that they will continue this pump for a long time. And if they continue this pump for a long time, so that's mean that we are going millionaire. XRP will make millionaire in this 2021 year, my friends. Please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos, my friends, and never miss any update if you subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest and urgent updates about cryptocurrencies market, my friends. At this time the price is low, but very soon you found the XRP price is $1 $0.798705 USD dollar is the currently price of the XRP, but my target for the XRP is $1 dollar. And now you can see here that in the last hour the price of the XRP start pump 0.22% price start pumping. So that is just the beginning, my friends. The huge pump of the XRP are coming soon. Let me show you the price chart, my friends. That is the last 60-minute price chart, and now this is just the beginning of pump. Now in the last 60 minutes the XRP start pump. So you know what, my prediction is going positive, and I'm very happy when I see the positive change occur in the XRP at this time. So personally I can't believe that XRP will continue jump. You know what, after a great falls the XRP start jump. You know what, after a great falls the XRP is great jump. So now I hope that now the XRP will continue this pump for a long time, and we will get a good amount of profit from the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about XRP? Personally, I'm feeling very good about XRP, and I'm sure that they will give us profit, my friends. So congrats once again, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Hope you like this video, my friends.